Nice trail. Carrying all this stuff just to film for you guys. Foot waterfall. Now, after this entire 3-mile walk up here carrying the controller, my phone, and the copter with the GoPro in it, I have decided that I am not going to try to fly the copter anywhere around here. There's just too many trees, and I didn't bring the tool to disconnect my GoPro from the camera, so I'm just going to kind of grab the DJI and we'll get a little closer to the water. It's amazing though. I can almost assure you this is probably the longest I've ever spent parked camping in one place in probably since last summer. Probably the longest time. Been here 5 days, and I'm still going to be here 2 more days. So, but I mean, you can't really beat it because I mean, you can stay out here for 2 weeks at a time, year round, for free, absolutely free. Then you have to leave for 7 days. But there's other campgrounds. There's town. We all got in the car this morning, went into town. The nearest grocery store is in Glenoma, about 7-mile drive. It looked like I could possibly get on a bike and probably do it that way, but I mean, that option's there in case I'm out here by myself one day. They're getting ready to do all their hang gliding and parasailing. I'm just going to walk through here and show you how much busier it is now. I mean, they even had somebody paid to bring in 2 portable toilets. And people just bring in their SUV or their van with their hang glider right on top. All sorts of different kinds of campers and stuff, and then a tent, and over there you got a biplane. There are some nicer RVs over here. One thing I may not understand is there's 2 different ways to do it. You know, you can stay up there as long as you want, try to catch all the updrafts, or you can race them. It's a nice Mercedes. I mean, look, they got tent camping and just everything. This is basically the landing strip here. They take off from way up on that hill up there. Oh yeah? You comfy now? Right on. The sun looks good in your fur. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. Really brings out your colors. Meow. Everyone in my party has left today. And as I said, I'm probably going to stay out here another couple days. I'm in no hurry. I don't mind being here by myself. There are some other campers here, still a couple RVs. Some of the hang gliding event people are still there too. And I actually started walking around to some of these other campsites that are here. Some of them are shaded, some of them aren't level. But the thing about being parked out here in the open is I can get unlimited solar. Never run my generator unless I'm making coffee. So I think in the end, I kind of like the sun. I mean, might as well, right? The sun's free. Might as well gather as much solar and run everything nonstop out here. It's kind of cool. The trees in this state are really tall, and they can give you a lot of shade, but you don't always want it. Sometimes you want to feel the heat. Daytime it's nice, nighttime gets cold, so yeah. You can kind of see most of the actual hang gliding association is still here, actually. Most of them are here, so no big deal. I still had not fished because nobody else had a fishing pole or license So we didn't do that yesterday, so maybe I'll do that today. All right, well, I gotta admit, I am not a good fisherman. I'm a terrible fisherman. I was not born to fish. It's okay. Admitting it is the first step. You know what I am good at, though? Reclining. I'm going to take up reclining as my new hobby. Yep. I'm really good at reclining. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in a few days. Hey guys, this is Jax, my kitty cat. I'm his servant, Eric. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel here on RVing. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up below. Make sure you subscribe, check out all our other videos, and keep following us on the road. Thanks, guys.